Hey guys, just a couple quick notes from me. I did get the quizzes. Some of you emailed them to me, and some of them were submitted via Blackboard, and that's fine. I don't think I was as clear as I could have been as far as where I wanted those submitted. I think I might have actually told you both places. So, or one place on two different things. Anywho, moving on. So I will have those in the next few days for you. I hope you didn't find it too difficult, and it did cover the concepts that I hoped that you got out of it, but I will send another screencast out going over it and the points and whatnot. So moving on, we have these discussion questions. So we get into our two books. The Looming Tower will be our first text. It's a very good book. I mean, it's a very good book, let's call it, for Homeland Security. It does tell a story, and I find it to be an interesting read. And then you'll see, as what you do in one of your critical thinking assignments, is there's actually a series that was made too based on the book. So in your next critical thinking assignment, you will get the opportunity to tell me the differences between the book and the actual series. So if you go to the assignments tab, right where you found the quizzes, here are the documents for the first three assignments that you have coming up, discussion questions 1, 2, and 3. And then I do it a little bit differently for black flags, but we'll get to that later. So for the discussion questions, and this will be similar each time. So this is the first bit. So chapter 1, so you need to answer all these questions for me. So I will tell you this. I don't want you to be overwhelmed. Like for the first section here, there's not a ton of questions, but there does seem to be there are more questions as you go along. So don't think that you need to write complete sentences here or paragraphs for each one. Simply answer the question to the best of your ability. And then like something down here where it says, give why, and a lot of times it gives a why. This can be just very short answers. I hope I give you, okay, I just give you the PDFs. So I don't think I have the Word docs for that, but that might be easier for you. I'll look and see. If not, this is what we're gonna have to go with. So just type them up, and yeah, submit them via this tab. So okay, that's the next few weeks, and then we have the critical thinking assignment that's due the following week. But I'll discuss that more when I send out a screencast going over your quizzes. Okay, let me know if you have questions. Have a great week. Bye.